Ka Sorkar Jylla kadang ap ya ka Jubab na ka Sorkar Pdeng hadin bakala pha ya ka Jubab balapan ka Sorkar Pdeng Halor ki katu ka ne ki benta ka an Shongwai ne ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act arhajar khan rio. Menteri rang ba ka Jylla ukon rat ki sangma menta ka khatlai tarik no pra arja ar phaulai Ulaong baka Sorkar Jylla kala aya ka Jubab bat menta kadang ap banyo na ka Sorkar Pdeng. Ulaong baka Sorkar Pdeng kala bu jingkeli ya ka Sorkar Jylla Halor ka ne ka an Shongwai namar baka don ka jinya tengku bat kariti sensyar kari.
Overall move by the different departments. Correctly, the issue is influx, and obviously there are multiple operations and multiple actions and multiple steps being taken at different levels. So therefore, it's not that nothing is happening. And many steps have been taken by the government, whether it is the infiltration check gates, whether it is the overall move by the different departments to find these people and then move towards removing them, sending them back. So all these exercises have always been taking place in the past. But what is different for the ILP and for the MRSSA was the main concept of having some kind of a checking system for every person entering the state. So an ILP would require that and a permission by the person to require. So there has been a huge demand by the people and also by the resolution that we passed that there should be an ILP in the state of Meghalaya also. And hence we have appealed to Government of India, but Government of India has not given us any clear signal yet. So we're waiting for that, and we're continuously reminding Government of India. At the same time, MRSSA is of course an alternative to the ILP, which we had pushed and passed in the Assembly, and we could not get a concurrence from the Governor, and it was sent to Delhi to the President for concurrence, and hence the Government of India then had written back to Government of Meghalaya saying that you could revisit it because certain sections are not in line with some constitutional provisions, and re-examine on how you would and rediscuss it. So based on that communication, we are now re-examining, and of course we are speaking to different stakeholders. We are speaking to our legal team, Advocate General. We are seeing how we could move on this. Matter is complicated because there's central laws, state laws, which we need to look at while we decide on all these aspects. But as I said, the process is continuous and we are continuously following it up.